We had been stranded in front of the dark house for a half an hour waiting for the magical timeline portal to open up to the majestic dimension. We had heard stories of the beautiful world by several people who have returned safely, but the portal is only revealed when it's a full moon. No one else has ever dared to travel through the portal again. My two adventurous friends, Robin and Zoe, have come on with me to the journey to Narnia. Robin, a determined girl, was wanting to seek adventure and possibly treasures. Zoe, a shy and intelligent girl, was dragged in by Robin and I. Suddenly a bright light started to appear at the gate of the dark house where we were standing. The light was expanding, and creatures from the other world came through the portal. We heard a loud roar, and a lion pounced out and landed on our car. After that, Robin and I rushed in while Zoe followed, and we walked through the forest of Narnia for several hours, seeking for adventure and treasures. It wasn't long until Zoe pointed out that she knew that there was a creature following us. Robin and I weren't sure, but it seemed like an animal with bright yellow eyes was sneaking through the thick trees. All of a sudden, we heard a growling noise, and we were sure that it was the creature who was making it. We all started to run for our lives until I suddenly tripped over a stone. Robin and Zoe stopped and went back to help me, but the animal was catching up. Quickly, Robin found us a huge tree to hide in, and the animal passed by. Now we were all able to breathe, and that's when I woke up from my epic dream.